In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multi-person scheduling with Calendly. 5 minutes. Start by heading to calendly.com. On the homepage, click Log In. Enter your email address, choose Continue, then enter your password and continue again. After you sign in, you'll land on your Calendly homepage. From here, click Create to set up a new event specifically designed for multi-person scheduling. Calendly gives you a few event types that handle team or group scenarios. If you want meetings to rotate between teammates automatically, choose round robin with rotating hosts. This lets a single invitee book a time, and Calendly will assign the meeting to one of the hosts based on your rotation settings. If your goal is to host a session where multiple people can join the same time slot, like a webinar or a group onboarding, choose a group event with multiple invitees. And if you need more options, click More Ways to Meet to access Collective, which lets you add multiple hosts for a single booking so the meeting can be scheduled at a time that works according to your setup. Once you've selected the event type, give your event a clear descriptive name so invitees immediately understand what they're booking. Next, set the duration and add buffer time if needed. Buffers are helpful to prevent back-to-back meetings and give your team time to prepare or debrief. Choose the location your meeting will use. You can link a video conferencing option like Zoom or Google Meet, or set a phone or in-person location depending on your workflow. Then set your availability. Define which days and times this event can be booked. This keeps your schedule predictable and ensures you only offer slots that work for your team. For invitees, group events let you set a maximum number so you can cap attendance and maintain quality. Round Robin and Collective are designed for one invitee per booking, so the meeting is scheduled with a single external participant at a time. On the host side, group events have one host managing the session. Round Robin lets you add two hosts who can take meetings in turn, ensuring a fair distribution and faster response for invitees. With Collective, you can add multiple hosts, so the meeting is arranged at a time that fits the configuration you've chosen, making coordination straightforward. When everything looks good, click Save Changes. That's it. Your event is ready to share, and Calendly will handle the scheduling logic so your team can focus on the meeting, not the back and forth.